Today, in this video, we are going to see how we can deploy a React web application using Firebase Hosting, which is a service provided by Google and is completely free to use. Welcome to Full Stack Simplified. My name is Prashun and I am here to share some amazing contents related to full stack. If that sounds interesting, don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos like this. So for the deployment, I'm going to use this React Forms project which we built in our last video. In that video, I have shown how we can manage and validate forms in React using Formic and Yup. If you haven't watched that video, make sure to check it out. The link will be in the description below. So the first thing you need to have is a Firebase account. Simply go to your web browser and type firebase.google.com. Here you need to select an account of your choice and then click on Get Started button. Then you will be redirected to Firebase console, and here you need to click on Create a Project button, and here you need to add a project name of your choice. I'm simply going to say React MUI form. That's it, and click on Continue. And here, if you want to enable Google Analytics for your project, you can do that. But for this video, I'm going to simply disable it and click on Create Project. Now, Firebase is going to create a project in the background and we have to wait for some time. Now that the Firebase has done creating a project, click on Continue over here. And now you can see that there are many services provided by Firebase that are authentication, Firebase, database, storage, and everything. But now we are interested only in the hosting, so click on hosting written here and then simply click on Get Started. Now we just need to follow all these simple steps provided by Firebase to get started. So the first step, we need to install the Firebase tools globally onto our computer. So simply copy this command and head towards your terminal and type sudo and just paste this command and press enter. What this will do is this will install this Firebase tools globally on our computer so that we can access it in our any project directly. So let's just wait for some time. So now the Firebase tools has been installed successfully. Now we need to go to our next step, which is the Firebase Login. We just need to copy this command again and paste this in our terminal. So this is going to say if you want the Firebase to collect CLI users. So if you want it, you can press yes. I'm simply going to press no. And then this will open up a login window in our browser. So we need to select the account and press it to continue. We need to click allow, and that's it. So Firebase CLI login successful. We need to just close this window and head back to our terminal, and we can see that the Firebase login has been successfully done. The authentication is successfully done. Next, we are simply going to copy this Firebase init command and head towards our VS Code where we have already opened our project. Here I'm going to simply open a new terminal and paste this Firebase init command. Now Firebase provides many services, but here we are only interested in hosting. Now Firebase also provides hosting using GitHub Actions, but here we are just simply going to use hosting using the CLI. If you want me to make a video using GitHub Actions, do let me know in the comment section below. I'm going to press enter, and again the Firebase is going to ask if we want to create a new project or use an existing one. But since we have already created our project in Firebase console, let's select the use an existing project, and it is going to load up all the projects we have. And since we have only one project, it is by default selected. So press enter, and then it's asking what should be our public directory. So we need to type here build. So why I have typed build is when we build our project using React, what it does, it will simply create an optimized production ready bundle which will contain all the files for our project, and it will be all packed in a folder named build. So that's the reason we need to type build here and then press enter. And since React, this is our single page app, we need to write y, yes. And Since we are not going to use GitHub Actions, I'm going to say no. So that's all for the configuration, and it's asking if we need to override. We say no, we don't need to override any our index HTML file. So that's all. And now the basic initialization of Firebase has been done. The next step is to build our project, and then we can see how simple it is to host our project to the Firebase using just a simple command. So I'm just going to say npm run build, and this command will build an optimized production ready package to the build folder. So let's wait for some time. So now the project build has been successfully completed, and it has generated a build folder as you can see here. Now the next step includes to host our project to the Firebase servers. For that, we need to simply write Firebase Deploy and press enter. What it is going to do is it is going to take our build folder and it is going to deploy it into the Google servers. And it is also going to return us an URL which you can share to your friends, to your family, to your colleagues, and they can easily visit your website using that URL. So this is the URL which we have got from the Firebase. Simply click on that. And yes, here is your project completely hosted on Firebase servers, totally free. Now you can also go to your console by typing console.firebase.google.com, and here you can see your React project which you have hosted, and you can see all the information related to hosting, all the heads, all the currently serving heads which are currently hosted, and everything, all the information which you require can be seen here. So guys, that's all for the video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and also let me know if you have any questions by writing down in the comment section below. So I'll be bringing many such videos like this. So stay tuned and thank you.